Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning auto brightness on and off on Xiaomi watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the watch's home screen to get to the control panel. Then tap on the settings cog. Tap on brightness. Then you need to tap the toggle to the right of auto adjustment to turn auto brightness on or off. When auto brightness is switched on, the toggle will be blue, and when auto brightness is off, the toggle will be black. When it is on, your watch's screen will automatically adjust to the light levels around it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi watch tips and tricks.